Most homeowners think they can't sell their house because of the condition, but in Columbus, Ohio, that's usually not the biggest problem. The real problem is the city. Code violations, housing violations, trash citations, board up notices, and even condemnation threats. I get calls like this all the time. Dave, I want to sell my house, but the city keeps sending me letters. They're scared, they're overwhelmed, and they think they're stuck. The seller lived right here in central Ohio. They inherited a house, it sat vacant for a little while, the grass got high, the paint started to get chipping, and even a couple windows got broken. Then the notices started. First it was just a letter, then another letter, and then the fines started to add up. Eventually, the city just warned them either fix this or there's going to be severe penalties. They called real estate agents, nobody wanted to list it. They called contractors, the bids were atrocious. They didn't have the money and they didn't have the time. And that's when they found Sell House Columbus. They asked the question that everybody asks, can I still sell my house even with code violations? Yes. Yes, you can. We buy houses as is in Columbus, Ohio, and all throughout Ohio. No repairs, no cleanup, and no headaches from the city. We reviewed the violations, we spoke to the city when needed, and we handled everything from beginning to end. The seller didn't have to do anything. There were no inspections, there were no repairs, and there were no open houses. We made a fair cash offer, we closed quickly, and we stopped all the fines from adding up. The seller didn't have to fix a thing. There were no contractors, no stress, and no more letters in the mailbox. Just relief. And that's what most people don't understand. You don't need a perfect house in order to sell. You just need the right buyer. If you're dealing with code violations or city notices or a vacant property, even housing court, environmental court, or a house that the city is applying pressure about, you are not stuck. If you need to sell your house fast in Columbus or anywhere throughout Ohio, reach out to Sell House Columbus. We buy houses as is, we handle all the city issues, and we make the process extremely simple. Call us at 614-300-5151 or fill out a form online on the site sellhousecolumbus.com. Because when the city's breathing down your neck, you don't need a realtor, you need a solution.